Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting all visual assets and choosing a clear color palette. This reduces rework later. Once done, set your canvas and grid to match final output, 1080x1920 for portrait or 1920x1080 for landscape. Make a 12-column grid with consistent gutters and a half-inch margin so elements align predictably. As you import sprites and fonts, name layers clearly. This saves time when you iterate. Make sure to lock background guides before you lay out cards and panels. You now build the core card and UI blocks, starting with a clear hierarchy, header, artwork, stats, moves, footer, so users scan naturally. Use the 60/30/10 color rule to balance dominant, secondary, and accent colors. This improves focus and aesthetic. Make sure body text meets contrast guidelines for readability. Aim for 4.5:1. Once the card is arranged, add responsive rules. Scale artwork proportionally and hide non-essential fields at smaller sizes to preserve clarity and interaction. You finish by prototyping interactions, hover states, press feedback, and simple animations to confirm the layout feels alive. Then test on at least 3 devices with varied resolutions. Check alignment, legibility, and tap targets. Once satisfied, export assets at 1x, 2x, and 3x scales, optimizing PNGs and SVGs for fast loading. If spacing breaks or icons blur, revisit grid gutters and export scale. A common fix is adjusting raster export to match pixel grid precisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.